Hello and welcome. Yeah, I can't afford to post this late. Let's go straight on it. I can't afford to post this late. 43 will play with single three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks down. 77. 43 will play with single three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks down here. 77. The first one 8, the second one 9. On board, third time, single three will play with 43. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. This game dropped to position 77, 43 in position. This one delayed it. Now, after this game had played, the following week, there's something I did not review here in the morning on my first YouTube. That's Ilion's YouTube. I said you should figure this out. This game shows 44 next after 77. It shows 44 next after 77. This said it's going to play with single 9 and 35. This said it's going to play with 90 and 35, 25. They said after 77, 44 will play with single 9, 35 and 25. Three numbers showing live. First time 44, 25, 35. Second time after 77, 44, 25, 35. Now, this is showing, they are showing either 90 or single 9. This said it's going to use single 9, but this one that kept normal counting week said it will use single 9. The other one said it will use 90. Now, let's drop that. That is a first key, a 3 direct key. Today, God will show us mercy today. Now, this event would supply winning today. Unstoppable. Now calm down. I've proven 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me take you on another key. It set this game second time on board. Three numbers, 44 single 3 single 4 is second time on board. And this one too, 40, single 3 single 4 43. The same thing, three numbers. Now let's treat this one as well. When it played single 3 and single 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 weeks down, double 4 will play with 84. Second time in machine, first time in winning. Second time in machine, single 3, single 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 weeks down, 44 will play with 84. One more. 43 again played with single 4. First time. No, this second time. This is the first time. It's been playing it in machine. This is the first time it's playing both in winning. 43 and single 4. This also 43 and single 4. 9 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 weeks down. 35. Here as well, from this one, single 4 and 43. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 weeks down. The same 35. that we have to play with 25 clues and 44. This event is an unstoppable event to watch out for, with our bankers live showing us 44 and displaying on the screen is my prediction for the game. So if this is the first time you're seeing this channel, please subscribe to this channel for me and like the video. This is my alternative channel. Please, if this is the first time you're seeing it, please do subscribe to it and turn on the notification bell so that when we have issues on our first WhatsApp, this is the WhatsApp I used to use, or sometimes when I have something very serious, I see that WhatsApp has too many engagements, I post them here. So it's still Alion's channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Good luck.